CBSE Class 10th Mathematics Exercise 11.2 Chapter 11. This is Exercise 11.2. Question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct a pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. So, the steps of construction is like this. Construct a circle of radius 6 cm. Take a point P such that OP is equal to 10 cm. Find out the midpoint of the OP, that is M. Taking M as a center and radius equal to MP or MO, draw a second circle which intersect at A and B to the first circle. Join PA and PB, which are common tangent from A to the circle O. The angle OAP and angle OPB is equal to 90 degrees, the angle in the semicircle. This is the first of all, the circle center is O, it is given, that its radius is 6 cm. There is a point P which is 10 cm away from O point. O means center of the first circle. This is the first circle. Taking OP as a diameter, find out the midpoint. Let M be the midpoint of it, and taking M as a center, and radius equal to MO or MP, draw a circle which cuts the previous circle or the first circle at the A and B. Now you see the PO is a diameter. PO क्या है? Diameter है, और diameter के एक part में this portion is known as semicircle. So the angle made by the diameter on the semicircle will be 90 degree. So OAP is 90 degree. OBP is 90 degree. So, when you join the PA and draw this line, then PA and PB is tangent, or you can say these are the common tangent to the circle O from the point P. So, let us find the length of the tangent PA and PB. It will be equal to, you see, ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल बन रहा है, यहाँ पर 90 डिग्री है, तो ये क्या हो गया? हाइपोटेन्यूज हो गया. ये एक साइड हो गया, लेग ऑफ द राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल whose length is 6 cm. So square of 10 minus square of 6, taking the square root, that will be equal to PA. Similarly, see the 10 square minus 6 square का square root लिया, 100 minus 36, that is root 64. 64 का square root आया 8 cm. As per the calculation on the measurement, PA and PB is equal to 8 cm also. So there is no any discrepancy in the measurement as well as the calculation part of it. Both are equal to 8 cm. Now proceed to the question number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from the point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. देखिए एक सर्किल दिया हुआ है, whose first circle is O, whose center is O, and concentric circle means center is the same, radius is different. So second circle is 6 cm. The radius of the second circle is 6 cm and radius of the first circle is 4 cm. Taking any point P on the second circle, Join PO. Join PO and find out the midpoint of it. Find out the midpoint of PO. Let M be the midpoint. Geometrically you have to find it. M is the midpoint. So construct a circle, third circle you can say, which intersect the first circle at the point B and A. Now join PA and PB, which are the tangent to the circle O, means the first circle. So now you see the steps of construction. देखिए यहाँ पर पहले taking O as a center, draw the first circle of the radius 4 centimeter and second circle of the radius 6 centimeter. Taking a point P and join OP and find the midpoint of M of OP. Taking M as a center and radius equal to MO or MP, draw the third circle which intersect the first circle at A and B. Draw PA and PB, which are common tangent from P to the first circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. Measurement of PA is equal to PB, that is 4.4 centimeter. Calculation of for PA and PB will be equal to six square minus 4 square का whole square root. So 36 minus 16, that will be equal to 20. So root of 4 into 5, that is 2 root 5. So you see the 2 into 2.236, that will be equal to 4.472. This is the exact measurement as per the calculation, and geometrically on measuring we have got it 4.4 centimeter. Now proceed to the question number 3rd of exercise 11.2. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of the extended diameter, each of a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw the tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. देखिए एक फर्स्ट सर्किल है जिसका रेडियस दिया हुआ है, थर्ड सर्किल में देखिए OP is equal to OQ, that is 7 centimeter. OP is equal to OQ, that is 7 centimeter given. The radius of first circle is 3 centimeter. Radius of first circle is 3 centimeter. Radius of the second circle, that is MP or M1P. M1P or M1O. M1P or M1O. These are the radius of this circle. Radius of the third circle. This is the third circle, that is M2Q and M2O. M2Q or M2Q or M2O both are equal because this is the midpoint of OQ. OQ का midpoint है M2 और OP का midpoint है M1. तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया है, फर्स्ट सर्किल ड्रा किया और एक डायामीटर ड्रा कर दिया. उसी डायामीटर पर हमने एक तरफ P लिया, एक तरफ Q लिया, जो कि सेंटर O से दोनों के दोनों 7 सेंटीमीटर दूरी पर हैं. OP और OQ both are equidistant from the center O. Taking the midpoint of OP, that is M1, taking the midpoint of OQ, that is M2, and radius equal to M1P, draw a circle, second circle, and same, taking the diameter OQ, find out the midpoint of it. M2 is the midpoint, so draw a circle taking the radius equal to M2O or M2Q, which cuts the circle at S and R. Here the circle drawn from the center M1 cuts the first circle at A and B. So now join PA and PB. These are the common tangent from the point A, point P. So PA and PB are common tangent from the point P to the first circle. Similarly, common tangent from the QR and QS. So calculation part, let us see first of all. PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB. These are the common tangent. So PA and PB are equal, and QR is equal to QS. QR is equal to QS. So this distance means OP. OP is how much? It is 7 centimeter. So 7 square minus 3 square, that is 49, minus 9, that is equal to root 40. Again it will be 2 root 10. That will be equal to 2 into 3.162, and it will be equal to 6.324. On actual measurement, geometrically, it should be equal to PA is equal to PB is equal to QR is equal to QS, and it is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Steps of construction, you see. Taking O as a center and radius 3 centimeter, draw the first circle. Take 2 points P and Q such that OP is equal to OQ, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Find out the midpoints M1 and M2 of OP and OQ respectively. Taking M1, M2 as a center and radius equal to 3.5 centimeter, draw the second and third circle, which cuts the first circle at A and B and R and S. Join PA, PB and QR, QS, which are tangent to the first circle from the point P and Q respectively. Let us proceed to the question number 4. Draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 centimeters, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. देखिए एक सर्किल ड्रा किया है जिसका रेडियस है 5 सेंटीमीटर, रेडियस 5 सेंटीमीटर, और यहाँ से पॉइंट P से दिया हुआ है कि हमने कॉमन टेंजेंट ड्रा करना है, और वो इंक्लाइंड है। दोनों टेंजेंट के बीच में जो एंगल बनता है वो 60 डिग्री दिया हुआ है। हमें मालूम है कि AOB विल बी 120 डिग्री, बिकॉज 180 में से आप 60 माइनस कर दिए 120 आएगा। देन जस्ट टेक एनी रेडियस OA or OB and construct the angle equal to 120 degree. 120 degree. From A and B construct a right angle. Construct a right angle which intersect each other at the point P. So APB will be 60 degree because we have constructed first 120 degree at the point O. Means AOB is 120 degree. We have to construct first of all. So steps of construction here. Taking O as a center and radius 5 centimeter, draw a circle. हमने क्या किया, एक रेडियस लिया 5 सेंटीमीटर का, एक सर्किल ड्रा किया. Taking any point A on the circle and join OA. Third step पर at point O construct an angle 120 degree which cuts the circle at B. That is AOB is 120 degree. At A and B construct 90 degree angle which intersect each other at the point P. Now measure the APB. That will be equal to 60 degree. Hence PA and PB are the tangent to the circle O which are inclined at 60 degree. In this way we have completed the question number 4. Now proceed to the question number 5. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Taking A as a center, draw a circle with the radius 4 centimeter. And taking B as a center, draw another circle of the radius 3 centimeter. Construct the tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. देखिए एक लाइन सेगमेंट लिया गया है AB, that is 8 centimeter. The length of AB is 8 centimeter. From A से हमने रेडियस फर्स्ट सर्किल किया, ड्रा किया, दैट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस लेकर के, ये 4 सेंटीमीटर. सेकेंड सर्किल का रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर है. बी एज ए सेंटर, बी सेंटर लेकर के ड्रा किया है. अब हमें ए से, मीन्स ए सेंटर है, फर्स्ट सर्किल का सेंटर ए है, इस सेंटर ए से सेकेंड सर्किल के ऊपर कॉमन टेंजेंट ड्रा करना है. उसी तरह से बी सेंटर से कॉमन टेंजेंट ड्रा करना हमारे को फर्स्ट सर्किल के लिए. हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ए बी को मिलाएंगे, इसका मिड पॉइंट लेंगे. मिड पॉइंट लेने के बाद हम एक थर्ड सर्किल जिसका रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर होगा, थर्ड सर्किल ड्रा करेंगे. जो थर्ड सर्किल है वो फर्स्ट सर्किल को G और F पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है और सेकंड सर्किल को E और D पर इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. अब हम A से D को मिलाते हुए लाइन खींचेंगे जो कि टेंजेंट होगा, और A से E को मिलाते हुए लाइन खींच दिया जो कि टेंजेंट है सेकंड सर्किल के लिए. उसी तरह से B से F को मिलाते हुए और B को G से मिलाते हुए लाइन ड्रा किया जो कि टेंजेंट है. मीन्स A से A कॉमन पॉइंट हो गया और AD और AE कॉमन टेंजेंट हो गया. उसी तरह से B से BF और BG, these are the two common tangent from the point B, that is the center of the second circle. A is the and is the min in between. The AB length is 8 centimeter, so taking the radius equal to 4 centimeter, the third circle has been drawn. Let us proceed to the steps of construction. Steps of construction. Draw a line segment AB 8 centimeter. Taking A as a center and radius R, that is 4 centimeter, draw a first circle. Cutting AB at C. Taking B as a center and radius equal to R, that is radius is equal to 3 centimeter, draw a second circle intersecting AB at H. Taking the midpoint of AB, that is C as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw third circle which intersect at FG to the first circle as well as intersect the second circle at D and E. Join A and D as well as AE. So AD and AE are tangent to the second circle from the center of the first circle. Join BF and BG, which are tangent to the first circle from B, that is the center of the second circle. Now proceed to the question number 6. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB 6 cm, BC 8 cm, angle B is equal to 90 degree, BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangent from A to this circle. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Draw a right angle triangle, that is ABC, where BC is 8 cm, AB is equal to 6 cm, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Draw perpendicular from B to AC. B to AC एक perpendicular draw किया, that is BD. BD is the perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC. Draw a right bisector of the triangle BDC, which intersect at G, that is the circumcenter. Taking G as a center, draw a circle radius equal to GD or GB or GC. देखिए इसका हम हर एक साइड का राइट बाइसेक्टर ड्रा करेंगे. एटलीस्ट हम लोग को 2 साइड का राइट बाइसेक्टर ड्रा करना पड़ेगा. जहाँ पर कंकरेंट पॉइंट होगा, जहाँ पर एक ये जो राइट बाइसेक्टर होगा आपस में एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करेगा, दैट पॉइंट इज G. टेकिंग G एज ए सेंटर एंड रेडियस इक्वल टू B, GB और GC और GD. ड्रा अ सर्किल which will touch DBC. Now join A and G, means this is the circumcenter. Join AG means the point A is already. First of all, we have to construct the triangle. When triangle is over, now drop the perpendicular from B to AC. That is BD is the perpendicular. Now we have to draw a circle which will circumscribe the triangle BDC. So to draw the circle, first of all we have to draw perpendicular right bisector of the sides. Let EG and FG are the perpendicular bisector of the side BD and side CD, which intersect each other at the point G. Now join AG. AG को ज्वाइन किया और इसका मिड पॉइंट निकालेंगे, that is M is the midpoint. Now taking M as a center and radius equal to MA or MG, draw a circle which will pass from A, B, G, H. So now draw a tangent, join AH and AB. So these are the tangent to the circle, circumscribed circle from the point A. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw perpendicular from B to AC, that is BD is perpendicular to AC. Draw the right bisector of the triangle BDC, which intersect at G, that is the circumcenter. Taking G as a center, draw the circle radius equal to GD, GB, GC. Join AG and find its midpoint M. Taking M as a center, draw a circle which intersect the previous circle at B and H. Draw AB and AH, that is the tangent to the circle G from the point A. Let us proceed to the question number 7. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Taking a point outside the circle, construct the pair of the tangent from this point to the circle. देखिए एक सर्किल दिया हुआ है लेकिन सेंटर नहीं दिया हुआ है, क्योंकि हमने इसको बैंगल मीन्स चूड़ी को रख करके ड्रा किया है, या कोई ढक्कन लेकर के हमने रख दिया और उसको ड्रा कर दिया, और उसके बाहर एक पॉइंट पी दिया हुआ। इसको समझ लीजिए, पॉइंट पी जो है बाहर दिया हुआ, इसका सेंटर नहीं दिया, हमें सेंटर मालूम ही नहीं है। हमने क्या किया, एक सीकेंट ड्रा किया। सीकेंट मीन्स a line which cuts the circle at 2 points. So PBA is a secant which touches the circle, which intersects the circle at A and B. Now find out the midpoint of PA. PA का हम midpoint निकालेंगे और let M be the midpoint. Taking M as a center and radius equal to MA or MP or MA. Draw a circle, semicircle we can say. So PQA is a semicircle. From the point B, construct a right angle. And which cuts the semicircle at the point Q. Taking PQ as a radius, draw an arc which cuts the given circle at R and S. Taking P as a center and radius equal to PQ, draw an arc which cuts the previous circle at R and S. Now join PR and PS. These are the two common tangents from the point P. Steps of construction: draw any secant from P to the circle which cuts the circle at A and B. Find out the midpoint of AP, that is M is the midpoint. Taking M as a center and radius equal to MA or MP, draw a semicircle touching A and P. Construct a perpendicular at the point B and produce upward which intersect the semicircle at the Q. Now taking PQ as a radius and the center P, draw an arc which intersect the given circle at R and S. Join PR and PS, the required tangent from the point P outside the point to the given circle. So this construction is completed now. There is no need of proof. I think proof has been not asked.